Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Let's see if that. Are we going? Yo, do we sit that together? Okay, cool. We're here. Yo, top of the morning. Shout out to the 5 people that have voted. Hey, if you've taken the time to vote, make sure you take the time to go smash the like button too. Top of the morning, Mom. Top of the morning, Ken. Yo, let's get it today. Isaac, good morning. 619 Monty. Hey, good morning. Hey, good stuff. Appreciate you, Ken. Tyler, good morning. LT, good morning. Corey, good morning. Wacky Scissors, good morning. Chakuti, good morning. Kareem, good morning. Brandon, good morning. Hey, Matt, what's up? And top of the morning. Oh yeah, Tesla did this thing. Unfortunately, I made some money off Tesla. Could have made more, but I was doing something and I was like trying to watch the trade on my phone. I'm like, nah, I gotta just cut out of this. Betsy, good morning. Ricky, good morning. It's your boy Cello. Good morning. Christine, good morning. Yeah, top of the morning. Hey, I'm already counting about 21 people lurking that have not liked. Hey, make sure. Hey, if we're here, I feel like there's no reason that everyone here before the market opens can't just come through, roll through, smash the like button. Cut out too early on spot put. I know how you feel, Brandon. Hey, but if you took profit, hey, it is what it is. Let's see. Dwight, good morning. D Scurve, good morning. Dom Ford, good morning. No, he said manipulation is real. Oh yeah, very much so, very much so. It's kind of wild, bro. Google, I might have to. Google's trying to make it seem like I might have to close out. I don't know. I'm gonna still watch it, but if it makes a new high, I might have to. Actually, here, let me see. Yeah, Google is playing with me. We'll see how it goes the first hour or so. Wilbert, good morning. Buddha Dev, good morning. Oh, hold up. I got a SoFi up here, but not the SPY. I got SoFi up here twice. Oh, wrong. Here we go. Sean, good morning. I play Roblox. Good morning. So that put 2 days ago, Google was. Oh no, I just got in the Google put yesterday. But yeah, might have to cut out. Evil Knievel, good morning. Eric, good morning. What's my bias? So I'm still like I'm negative on like I'm bearish like overall in the market, but we might come up before going back down. So like I feel like it's easier once again if you're like looking like you have more time. But if we take a look at like the SPY for instance, we broke the trend line. That's cool and all. But currently this is our range. I can see us coming up here, then coming down. And honestly, the way they like to do it, it may not be this steep of a fall. It may not fall that fast. I could see us coming up, then coming up some more, then coming here. I don't know. It's like honestly, they like to kind of blast and push things up during the day and make it, oh, market's opening. But yeah, they like to push things up. So it's like, honestly, I don't even know. We'll have to watch and see. It's like it should go down. It's like part of me wants to say, oh yeah, if we come up to like 585 on the SPY, it's a good area for a short. But also, I'm looking at this 13 EMA. I think I'll be a little bit more extreme just because of how things like to move, and I'll probably wait. Like if we do break resistance, just because they don't like to send it in a straight line. They don't like to make it that easy, which is very annoying. Hey, Master 3DRC, good morning. Evil Knievel, man. Spot. Yeah. If it fell, like yesterday when I was talking about like, oh, maybe getting a put, I'm not sure if I went with Tesla instead or Google instead. One of them I took instead of getting a put on the SPY. And I was like, man, oh, the SPY would have paid off. SoFi, similar to how I was saying, I can see the market like coming up. I could see SoFi. SoFi is at resistance right now. I could see SoFi probably coming as high as 320 today if it gets above that. But if it gets there, I would just look for a short or something. But yeah, right now we just gotta wait and see. Hey, top of the morning, C Smooth. Hey, good morning, Jack Sell. Jeff, good morning. Matt, if you don't have any trades open, yes, you can do that. But also be aware that you only get 3-day trades. So if you take them all in one day, you won't have any more day trades the rest of the week. But yeah, yes to your questions. All right, I'm gonna come down to like a 15 on most things. 15 on the SPY, 15 on the Qs. $15 on Tesla. I'm not so sure I necessarily feel ready for like any Tesla action again. Go to a 15 on SoFi. I'm gonna stay on the 4-hour on Google for now. You have two options right now. Okay. Yeah, if you're swinging stuff, oh no, yeah. It's not gonna let you switch. You can try to switch, but it's gonna say you need to close your positions out first. My life be like top of the morning. Yeah, so we're doing a little morning push up. Not to be confused with push-ups, but yeah, we're doing a little morning push-up. All right, actually now we're kind of pulling back. Okay, we'll see what kind of games they want to play. I think I'm gonna sit on my hands to start the day. Maybe like the first couple hours or whatnot. We also thinking about that. We do have some data, so we got PMI. Manufacturing and services in about 10 minutes. And we got existing home sales at 9 a.m. as well. IQ so real, top of the morning. Hey, just sitting here watching these stocks move. Watching these charts. Call on SPY, put on Google. All right, we'll see. I like a call on SPY at that 580 support. I like the potential for that. Bro, these birds right outside my window, they're like, oh, they must be chasing some bugs. They look like they're flying right outside my window. Just like they're just trying to. It's like I'm Cinderella and they're trying to talk to me. All right, 28. Appreciate you, M Sense. Sold out of. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. And Bitcoin doing the thing. Uh, you said that with a question mark. I mean, Bitcoin is moving. Then we get, yeah, we got data this morning. I was, I don't know, this morning I was looking at the charts, and we got, yeah, the unemployment claims, and I saw the market like selling off before that even came. It was like selling off kind of fast. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it was selling off kind of fast. So I didn't know what was up with it. I think it was just market moving. So I just kind of look at what's ahead whenever it's going on. But yeah, right now you can see we got that same old chip chop we got or been having. George, good morning. Elegant Boom, good morning. What do you think is going to happen today? I think we're going to go up and then go down, or go down then go up. I think they're going to move it one way, then they're going to move it another way. I think we're going to ultimately go down, but if we move it down first, I think they bring it up, and I think they let it go up a decent amount, and then bring it down. They like to they like to like I don't know, mess with our minds, do what makes like the least sense. Um, yeah, the stock market likes to do whatever makes like the largest group of people look dumb. So it's like I don't whatever move kind of equates to that. That's what they're going to do probably. Bond markets crashed. The market went up. Wait, the market yesterday. Yeah, that is what happened. Um, and it's kind of crazy because like I was like chilling yesterday, and I was about to like go somewhere, and then I started getting all these alerts on my phone. And I'm like, hold on, let me look at this. And then I see Tesla going. I see like the SPY, and I'm like, yo, all right, hold up, I gotta watch this Tesla for a little bit. So I'm watching it go down. I'm like watching on a low time frame because I'm like, oh yeah, let me get out. And then it starts going back up. I'm like, yeah, let me take my profit. So I took that Tesla around like I want to say I got like $50 or $60 profit on it, but it ended up going a lot more. But it's like I see it made more of the move I was looking for. Sonia, good morning. Hey, very welcome, Elgin Boom. I had tunnel vision, only seeing SPY going up. Was it yesterday or today? I mean, what's crazy is the market goes both ways, and it's like oh, that's the value of finding the range right now. It's like we know where today's bottom is. We know where this morning's top is. So there's a good chance if we come back to this morning's top, and we reject, we'll come back to the lows or make our way back to the lows. Video real low, good morning. Hey, top of the morning, Big Reg. Hey, shout out to the 45 people that have smashed like. Hey, to the 44. To the 44 that have not. Hey, come join the party. Come on in, the water's fine. Calio, top of the morning, top of the morning. Okay, making a little progress. Okay, I see y'all. See y'all, family. Okay, Google, or not Google, Tesla is going up to its morning resistance. Making some little moves right there. Oh, I want to see if my EMAs are, if I can adjust those today. No, I cannot. Let me see if I can open another trading view tab. See if that makes a difference. Low-key, I just like leave the same trading view tab. Oh, it works. Okay, that's all I needed to do. Let me get rid of this other one. Slide that over. There we go. That's all I needed to do yesterday. Dang, Google going for it. Ended up coming out up 600 yesterday, hoping, hey, let's go. Hey, stack the good on good. Thanks for streaming. Hey, I'm trying my best. Appreciate you coming through, smashing that like and saying what's up and like just showing your presence here. All right, so SoFi is above that resistance. Still on the 15-minute, but yeah, SoFi is above resistance. Greg, happy Thursday. I'm hoping Google chills out, but long term, I'd like to see Google go up, but I want to see it go down first. Letitia, hey, happy to have you. Welcome. Yeah, a lot of stuff is like really just chilling right now. Wanted to trade SPY options today for the first time. Please, what contract? Right now, in my eyes, patience is going to be the best thing because honestly, like when I look at it, I don't know what time zone you're in, but if we look at Central Time, in my eyes, like the best time to have taken the SPY trades in the past, like let's say like the past like week or two, like past like 2 weeks has been like probably like 2 hours from now, anywhere from like 10:30 Central Time to like 12 Central Time. Yesterday, it looks like the move was to get in around like 12:15. That's when we started popping off, but that's kind of when it seemed kind of nice. I should have taken my Nvidia yesterday. I was up 125. Hey, you might get another chance, but yeah, they're trying to get people to close things out. Joey V, good morning. Oh yeah, Amazon, we're just following this trend line. If we break this trend line on Amazon, That would be some money. Well, if we break this this trend line, first place is going probably like 206.75 or so. Google breaking out on the news on this new AI. Honestly, it might be. Wait, AI Ultra for 2. Yeah, might have to flip the script on Google. Let me come back to a lower time frame. All right, so it's taking this high from yesterday. I want to see how it responds to this high, but I'm watching it a little closer. All right, I gotta put on TSLL and Goog. I bought about a week ago, so I'm down on them now. But my expiration date. Um, I might consider the Google. I don't know. It's like I guess it depends on where, like where when you started the trade, where did you have it going, and where is it now? Are the questions I would look at. It's like I'm evaluating whether to close out my Google trade right now. I'm gonna give it like yeah, I think I'm about to close my Google trade. Honestly, I might have to hop in on the upside. But I'm still looking right now. Black and Wild, good morning. Is TradingView lagging? Switching 5 minute time frame. Tesla at resistance. I think I have resistance at about like oh, you're saying there's Tesla resistance there. I took profit on Tesla yesterday, if that's what you're asking him since. I don't know who you were saying that to. But that's good if you did. Google is pushing. Yeah, I might have to. Yeah, I think I'm about to. Let me actually look at rolling. Can I? Nah, I'm not gonna roll into a put. It's like what I want to do is like potentially roll in the other direction. But yeah, I just took an L, sold out of the Google put for 75. Let me alert the family real quick. Where where's this channel? Cut out of Google for 75 per share. There we go. All right, so one other thing I want to do, like I'm gonna still watch Google, but I want to see how it holds. Like I want to see if it can hold above like get above and hold above 175. So I'm gonna just have that there. Did my first stop loss take profit order? Is this so good? Micro algo. So when it comes down to it, I don't know anything about it. It's like I've heard people talk about it, but I don't really know anything about. But if we were to defer to just like looking at kind of what TradingView says, it says is a sell, so probably ideally not. Looking at the chart patterns, probably ideally not. If I were in something, if I were in this, I would put like take my shares and like if I'm up on them, probably throw like a 10% trailing stop because it's up 14% on the day. But that's probably what I would do. But that would probably mean you were selling out or would sell it out. How is SPX and SPY looking? Yeah, let's pull up SPX. Right now the SPY is like right in the middle of its range. So it's like right now for me the SPY is not it's not good for anything right now. It's like saying wait. We still have data in 9 minutes too. But yeah, if you look at the SPX, you see it's like it's like pulling up a little bit, but it's almost like it wants to come down some more too. Hey Frank, top of the morning. Hey, good stuff, Greg. Navitri Mash, you said you got no notification. Are you talking about from YouTube? That's weird, but good morning. Is there a way you can trade options in TradingView? So I haven't done it, but I believe yeah. Or I'm not sure about. So I see that there is the option for options. I don't know how to do it, but I see that you can connect them here. Like Moomoo is one of the options. All right, so Google is kind of pushing for it. If here, let me look at it on a 4-hour, man. It's like I might get something for some more time if if we can get Google hold up here. Because I feel like it could get pushed down first, and I feel like I want something with some more time. But yeah, I feel like here, if Google breaks past 175, it can run. All right, let's see. Shireen, good morning. Oh, that's weird. You said yes, you can trade options through TradingView with Moo. Oh, nice, nice. I connected Moomoo. It's not hard, but that's as far as I went. Yeah, me personally, I don't want to connect one single account there just because Oh, I feel like I would do something on accident, like while I'm here streaming, that I wasn't trying to do. Do you think Hood will break resistance today? It's very well possible. I think, let's say, like, kind of depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin wants to go crazy, I think it'll break resistance. All right, so we got the SPY pushing up. We still got data in 5 minutes. We're up here at resistance on the Qs. It might be led by Google. I'm not sure. We got Tesla. Tesla's up at resistance too. This might potentially a good area to short Tesla, but we'll see. Is it too late to hop on a Google call? For me, I'm very hesitant right now. I still think there will be like a chance at a pullback. But like if you're trying to ride something for the day or ride for a shorter time, I don't know. It's like asking me if it's too late for something short term. I feel like there will be opportunities for better things and better, like there will be other stocks show them self. But I will say everything is kind of at the extreme right now. It's like I want to wait to see if we confirm above on things like the Qs and the SPY before I do anything. But yeah, Google is pushing. Only thing about Google is I have a little bit of a hard time because just because of the fact that they've already pushed so much today. That doesn't mean they can't push a lot more, but it's just like I have a hard time getting in, and it's like I don't even know where to. I don't feel like they really reacted to this level yet, so I feel like there should be some kind of push down. But here, I'm gonna get rid of this trend line though. Let me look at Google on like a weekly. You said bullish today. This is like standard. This is what they do now. So they will push it like there will be news to push it down in the after hours, and then during the day they just like kind of like run it up and like shake everyone out. So I'm not gonna say we're bullish, but yeah, the script is to run it up during the day or the mornings. Right now, I'm just gonna kind of look for optimal shorts or like wait till the next level. SoFi is already above resistance. So now it's like if SoFi gets to like 1320 or maybe as high as 1324, that would be a good level for a short in my eyes. Cause that'll be SoFi touching the trend line again. McDougal going for a serious. Hey, I know how you feel, man. Well, actually, I wasn't riding that, but I know how you feel. Got this 3-5 Fubo call and 29 T call. I still don't. So Fubo is below the trend line. So ideally, like I don't see it going up. I don't see it going anywhere near that call level. Even like heading into next week. T still in a downtrend, still kind of respecting it. So call wise, I don't think any of those will play out. Wait, what call do you get on T? Nah, yeah, I don't think those are gonna play out unless we get like some kind of like big news. All right, so we're pushing up. We got some data. Oh, should be getting the data now. Let's see how things kind of play out. Honestly, I think it's good if we push up. Or I think it's good that yeah, if we push up, yeah. That's just a better opportunity. QQQ pump. Yeah, yeah, everything's pumping right now. All right, so SPY is crossing resistance. That's cool. That's cool. Let's make it move. It's holding at 176. So for me, I wait for confirmation, but if we do get confirmation here, I feel like SPY can either go to like 586, 587. But yeah, I like to wait for confirmation. So we already went over M algo. Yeah, so my analysis doesn't work for those once again. It's like when it comes to penny stocks, it's like if there is a trend on them, like grab like 100 shares, grab whatever, like if like kind of based off price, and then once you're up a certain amount, throw like a 10% trailing stop loss on, and just kind of let it do its thing. That's kind of what I say for those. How do you feel about AMC? I want to grab a. Oh, I feel bad about AMC. AMC is a scam in my opinion. AMC is like any chance it ever has of going up, it kind of the CEO like issues more shares and just immediately devaluates everything. All right, existing home sales came about 150,000 below expectations or below the forecast. Welcome incense. Right now, I'm really, hey, we'll really just kind of sit here and wait. Here, let me. Oh, honest is below $5 again. Who would have known I could have sold a $5? Yeah, sold a $5 call. Ion Q's having a good day. Google's still trying to push a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, Google. Yeah, when it comes to the Nasdaq, Google is having the most exciting kind of move out of everything today. Yeah, I think Google's kind of leading the charge for the Qs. So if we can get any kind of death on Google, then let me get a closer look on Tesla. Tesla looks like might be getting ready to come down. Cause now that I'm looking at it on like a 15. Let's see. Or let's slide that up a little more. I'm gonna watch Tesla here, but it might be another good spot for a short. I want to see how it responds here. How do you feel? Oh wait, okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm not, but Coke might have a push. Potentially. Just got an insider alert for civil. Wait. Sorry, sent that before I was done. Okay, hey, trade at your own risk. I'll have to see what that is. Yeah, I'm still gonna wait, but let's see. What is the? Is it CIVIL? Nah, that's something else. CLVIL? Oh no, I don't know what the ticker is. I'll just leave it alone. Don't think Tesla's coming down yet. I'm seeing like this is the 15-minute chart, so I'm not sure, but this is on the 15. This would be a good spot for liquidity, and then it's also overbought, or it's like close in that territory. But I'm trying to look, wait and see. Took my small profit on QQQ. Not greedy today. Hey, good stuff, family. Yeah, so I'm writing. I'm waiting to see kind of what happens. All right, spot's kind of pushing up a little bit. Hey, Tesla's really trying to look like they're trying. Like Honestly, if I were trading on I might have to go for it. Like if this candle closes anything like this, for sure, hey, going for it. Yeah, this option I was looking at already ran up like $35 on Tesla. Let me real quick get a bird's eye view. Oh yeah, hold up. That's this is a 4 hour. Yeah, this would be a good spot for it. I'm gonna take it. It's like I don't. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Me also, let's see. Yeah, it's because it's right here at the 200 EMA as well. I'll kind of watch that though. Just grabbed a Tesla 315 put expiring. What is it? May 30th. Paid 3.55 per share. Let me add that. Well, I'll keep that. I'll watch that. But let's see. Yeah, so I'm down on it right now. But where's it at? There we go. So we'll kind of watch that, see how it holds up at this 200 EMA. Like if we look at the Qs and we look at the SPY looks like it took liquidity up here at resistance. The Qs, you got this what's it called, like a hanging man or something? This candle that's pretty bearish. Google still looks strong, but that is what it is. You got like a similar candle on the SoFi. So we could have a reversal here. We'll see what happens, but we still got a minute on this candle. Oh, CIVI. Okay, I can let me take a look at that. All right, that's different. That's different. Okay. All right, let's take a look on some different time frames. All right, Tesla trying to push. Still have to watch that. All right, that's the weekly. $35 call. October 17th. All right. Hey, this candle on the SPY, candle on Tesla is looking all right. Let's see. Hey, Tesla trying to eke out another green. Yeah, Google is pushing, man. Took small profit on my QQQ. Not greedy today. Hey, not being greedy will likely take you far. All right, so we got a little pullback action going on. The only thing above, well, two things above resistance. We got the Qs and we got SoFi. Oh yeah, Tesla's above resistance too, actually. And it got like one complete close. All right, so right here we either got a retest on Tesla. Like we either got a break and retest or Tesla's about to come down. So I'm still watching Tesla pretty closely. Cheaty, good morning. Yeah, Derive AI's been putting out a lot of stuff. Nothing that I want to jump on, just like it's all like shorter time frame stuff. I see a put on Amazon. It says it's a day trade. But nothing that I wanted to jump on, so that's why I'm not necessarily, I haven't really called anything. But whenever I see stuff that I think is like, oh, that's fire, I usually call it out. New bill. Oh yeah, that new bill did pass this morning. Yeah, that's we'll see how that turns out. I feel like Google will stay green today. I think it's very well possible, but I also think it's possible that it pulls back. So it's like we got the good news from Google. What makes it tough for me is because the market is trying to sell off. The market wants to sell off, and like part of the market selling off is like it's still going to go up before it comes back down. So my thing is I don't know how much of Google holding up right now is Google holding up and people trying to buy it, and like how much of that is like people like buying it as like I don't know how much of that is like the market like pushing up before it comes down versus like the market pushing up and people buying it. So it's like there'll be a point when people like slow down a little bit and feel like they kind of have a good position size. And like if the market hasn't come down before that, then I don't know. So it really just kind of depends. The big or beautiful tax bill passed from Trump. I think I saw it pass from the Republicans. Let's see. Also, yeah, just a quick shout out. Y'all, I got this new here, I can show it. Let me try to show it to y'all real quick. Let's see. Let me see if I can share it. I don't think they make me do a passcode or anything. All right, so I got this here. Let me slide it over in this middle section over here. Oh, yeah, I have it just, oh, hold on. Let's see. I don't see it on the screen. Wait, why can y'all? Okay, we still can't see it. That's so weird. Okay, it's still not showing. I want to show y'all, but it's like I can see it, but y'all can't. Let me. Oh, that's the problem. There we go. All right, so right here, that's kind of big. But anyways, this is a new app or new website I have. It's called Ground News. It's like a great news source in my opinion. So right here, you got like different left and right leaning. You know how different news sources, typically lean either left or right. It'll kind of give you all the good, like all the headlines and stuff, and then you can even like kind of click on the things, and it'll tell you like if it leans mostly left, mostly right, if it's right in the middle. Like it'll kind of talk about everyone who's kind of what is it? Everybody who reported on it. And then like right here, you can see this one is considered to be a blind spot, and it says it's a blind spot for the right because none of the rights leaning kind of news publications are posting about it. So it's like you got like the top news, you got the little section for me, for the stuff I'm interested in, and then blind spots are just going to be all the like kind of news headlines that are like either like really far left or really far right that may be in your blind spot because it's not going to be in the main news. I think it's like pretty cool. All right, let's see. The standard de-education on new bill is $16K. If you're married filing jointly, it was. Wait. Oh, is this standard deduction? Is $16K. If you're married filing jointly, it was 30. I just found out that it's kind of difficult to sell out UNH. Still, hey, glad you walked away with 300 profit. Good stuff. All right, so we're pulling back a little bit. We did go like test resistance, at least on the SPY. The Qs, we didn't, wait, hold on. Let me go up to a 15-minute or down. We kind of confirmed on the Qs, but it was a non-confirming kind of candle. So I wouldn't think too much of it. We still got SoFi kind of pushing up, trying to go to the resistance. Tesla right now looks like it's kind of retesting or just a retest or a retest. So Tesla still looks like it could try to go up. So I still got my eye on it. So yeah, one contract. Hey, gotta start somewhere. Here, yeah, we can come down to Google on a lower time frame. I didn't even realize we were looking on a weekly, but yeah, Google was a bit indecisive right there. It's oversold for right now, or overbought. Do I trade TS? Yeah. I trade it the same way. Same way I would trade Tesla. But yeah, I trade both. All right, bro. Okay, bro. They're playing with my internet. That is, bro. I'm gonna need them to chill out with this. Yo, are we live? Yo, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Come on now. All right. Okay. Y'all, AT&T is at it again. AT&T is at it again with the internet. The wildest random slowdowns. I'm not here for it. But yeah, we got them. Oh, hold up. Now Tesla trying to, hey, it's trying to push. We'll have to see. Yeah, hey, just know if if we cut out, it's cause of the internet. I'm not sure if I would try to do it again or try to start it back up. $60 lurkers trying to get us. Oh yeah, also, yo, just in case, hey, be sure if you can hear my voice right now, hey, be sure to smash the like button. Yeah, be sure to try to smash the like button. Like make this our first out or make this our first Friday in the past. What is it? The last two Fridays we have woken up in Alcatraz. Hey, we got what we need right here on stream. Hey, just hey, if we can get a solid 26 people to see that like button, the little thumbs up, smash it, and put us in the clear. Hey, we good. Try to beat the internet trying to crash out on me. Gotta buy that dip. Yes. Okay. I caught the run up when market open. Bought in the red. Hey, that's nice. 60 lurkers. Okay. Are you in the? Yeah, I'm in the states. I'm in one of them. One of the 50 states. Thursday. Yeah, today's Thursday, but I was saying when I said make this the first Friday, if we don't hit the goal today, then tomorrow we end up in the Alcatraz, is what I was getting at. Spy puts, it seems like an alright idea to me. Yeah, it seems alright. But we'll also have to see. They like to play the games and run things up as well. So Tesla's trying to go now. Wait, you dissing T stock? No, I wasn't dissing T stock. What's going on is I'm talking about AT&T, the actual internet. That is what's going on. I wasn't talking about the stock at all. Oh no, it's my internet because it's my internet because it wasn't just TradingView. I have more stuff open. It's like TradingView can lag, but nah, it's but like you can see like they give you information on here and it was saying that the actual stream was like losing connection and all that. And it's on a completely different browser. All right, so let me try to I'm gonna look at this ground news again. I'm gonna pull it up over here. Let y'all look with me if y'all wanna. Okay. I know I meant yesterday. Oh, never mind. Cool, cool. Okay. April home sales dropped to the slowest pace for that month since 2009. Man exposed. Okay, that's probably. Oh, that's kind of wild. That is. Okay. Here, let's go to a more focused kind of. Judge rejects arguments that that AI chatbots have free speech. This can actually affect some things. I don't want to read that right now. NVIDIA boss calls U.S. chip policy a failure. The U.S. restrictions intensified under President Biden aim to prevent advanced technology from aiding China's military and AI development, but led China to develop domestic chip suppliers. As a result, NVIDIA's share of the Chinese AI chip market dropped from 95 at the start of Biden's term to 50, with Chinese firms like Huawei gaining ground. Oh, that doesn't sound good for NVIDIA. Or sound as good for NVIDIA. You said ads, bro. Come on, who are you feeling like? Broke college investor, what do you mean? AI chatbots have free speech. OMG, I know where this is going. And let me reevaluate this test. Okay. T just announced agreement to buy Lum's home-based fiber for. Hey, if they want to use the fiber and like install that over here, I'd be ever so grateful. Speaking of NVIDIA, isn't it strange it's just chilling with earnings 6 days away? I mean, it kind of like, I feel like it kind of had its earnings run up. Like if we look at NVIDIA, like we started talking, I feel like NVIDIA was, I remember being like over here, like in this like one, like kind of 115, we were talking about NVIDIA earnings. NVIDIA like almost surged to like 137. Hold up. Yeah, but I feel like NVIDIA looks like it can have a little more consolidation. Like it looks like it can consolidate until, yeah, it looks like it can consolidate till the day of its earnings. Like it's sitting in the perfect spot to do that. And I think like there's no getting ahead with the technicals. This trend line, it's like it's either gonna bounce and run up, or it can fall through and come down. And ooh, hold up, I just had my leg pop. Like Yeah, it can fall through and go down. But what was I gonna say? Oh, and then like looking at the RSI on it, it's like it's kind of chilling at a comfortable level where it can go either way too. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm kind of with you there, D Scurv. I took a TSLL put. Now wondering if it was a bad play. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. It's like Tesla is coming back to its kind of support and resistance range from yesterday. So its resistance was up there, and then its support from yesterday is kind of like right here. Let's see if it gets back in there, then, and like if it confirms in there, then it's probably like, yo, that is not the move. But as of right now, it just filled the fair value gap. Cause whenever we got this move yesterday, there was a fair value. Actually, hold up. On the lower time frame, there's a fair value gap up to here, but let's go to like a 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had a fair value gap up to this level right here. So ideally, that's enough for it to come down. That's what I'm hoping for. Also, like looking at SoFi's still going for it. Like if SoFi once again wants to come to like 1320, might not be the worst area for a short. Nvidia hitting 150 after earnings. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. They'll eventually hit that one day. One day. Hims looks good for a call, but they're too expensive. Oh, that means they probably look good for calls for everybody then. Hold up, let's see. Oh, that's so weird. All right, so Tesla coming down again. We got Spy coming down again. We got Google coming down again. Hold up, y'all. I'll be right back. All right. Looks like we okay. Google pulling back a little bit. Could have held on a little longer. All good. All good. All right. Let me check in on some things. Okay. Yeah, we are here chilling. All right. Hey, honestly, just trading support and resistance on the SPY today. Oh, I guess you couldn't have bought at support because it hasn't gone there yet. But yeah, let's see if we can make it back to support on the SPY at least. And let's actually take a look at HIMS while we're talking about that. Oh yeah, HIMS just filled this gap. Let's go. What's this, a 4 hour? Let's go to the daily. Hey, HIMS just I don't ever look at the daily EMA, but HIMS is now below its daily 13 daily EMA. Don't know if that means anything. Let's look at the weekly. Good little pullback right there. It kind of made the move it needed to make. Think it'd be cool to see it back at like 40, 41, somewhere in that range. Okay, we are trying to push back up on Tesla. I don't know what's going on here. We're kind of just chilling. All right, HIMS 38 EMA is 4360. Next, here, let's. Oh, you said 38 EMA. Okay, I was about to say. I was like, I feel like I've heard people use the 48. I hear people use the 50, the 20. I was gonna say that's an odd one to use, but okay, that makes more sense to me. Hold on, let me see what's popping today. All right, so we got snow. Let's check out snow. Oh, they just had earnings yesterday. So when SPY goes up and down a lot, but wait, hold on, I'm gonna have to read that again or more. So when SPY goes up and down a lot, but only by a little, is that considered taking liquidity? So whenever liquidity is taken, okay, so liquidity is going to be like if you see a wick like this. Here, let me put a little arrow there to show you. This is liquidity whenever you see wicks. So whenever you see wicks, like kind of how if we look at Tesla right here, we see all these wicks. Anytime you see wicks, I want you to think liquidity. All right. If we look at the SPY right now, and I were to bring it back a little bit in time, like over here, All right, looking at that, we can see that, okay, that's annoying that that's just in the way and it says replay. But looking at that, we can see, oh, there is liquidity up here and it has not yet been taken or swept or like, yeah, it hasn't been taken out. All right, so when it gets taken out, there will typically be a move higher and it'll come past it and it'll kind of like usually reverse the other way. Or sometimes it'll get taken out and it'll just continue going up. So just to kind of show, if we continue to let it play out, right here on this candle right here took out that liquidity. Typically, there is some sort of reversal after liquidity gets taken out. It's not always the biggest, but in this case, we reverse back to this EMA or to this kind of middle level. But yeah, we took it and taken and kind of turned around. Oftentimes when it gets taken, you can get like a full repeat run of the range. So sometimes you get this move and then we could come for this low potentially. But yeah, those sweeps of liquidity and whatnot are good to look for on like for reversals. And this is just a 15 minute, so it's not going to be as big, but usually the larger the time frame that you see the liquidity, the more legit it is. But I will say, since like if we look at this on the 4 hour, you see it here and then you see it again here, more than likely we're gonna end up like this candle's gonna close black. More than likely, we still got an hour, but more than likely that's what will occur. Or we could push up, or we don't need to push up, or this ends up being the liquidity to watch for, because it's almost as if it was making a continuous move that way. But here, let me bring it back to, I guess, where we currently are. Or let me stop replay mode. There we go. But yeah, actually, if we look at it, since we have swept this liquidity over here, we have kind of put in consistent black candles for downside. The liquidity was over here on the Qs. We've kind of been, I don't know, this candle right here doesn't really look like a sweep, but the next one looks like it was. Maybe if we go to a 30 minute, might look a little more like a sweep. Nah, still not. But on the 1 hour, nah. AAP has ramped up today. Let's see. Oh, hold on, wrong. Advanced Auto Parts. Okay, let's see. Shares jumped 29% to 35% in pre-market trading after Q1 results exceeded expectations. The company forecast adjusted earnings of 150 to 250. On pace for record percent increase. Tariffs didn't change earnings outlook. Okay, that's cool. And there goes Google. Had to leave. What's going on with Google? Honestly, right now, it's just a healthy pullback. It's something that was needed. This was honestly something I expected, but also it's like there have been times I expected this in the past where like it just kept going. So I was like, yo, I'm not even trying to feel that trauma again. So it's like we just cut out. Wait, where's that at? What's the difference between 13, 20, 50? So pretty much what an EMA is going to be an average. It's going to be an average. So there's different kinds of moving averages. So there is just a regular moving average, which is like when you take, like if we take the 13, this is an EMA. But first I'll explain the moving average to you. So the 13 EMA is if we count like the last 13 candles, the 13 EMA is going to be like wherever this blue line is, that's going to be the average price that the last 13 candles traded at. And that's what that blue line is representing. Whereas the difference between the moving average and the EMA or exponential moving averages is it's the same, where it's still the average price of the last 13 candles, but the EMA gives a little bit more weight to the more recent candles. So it's like that average is a little bit stronger towards the more recent candles, and I think that's more valid in my opinion. But yeah, the difference between the like 15 or the 13, 20, 50, 48, all those is pretty much just going to be how many candles they take into effect. So if we take a look right here, you can see the 13 EMA it moves a lot closer to where the stock price is. Whereas if we turn on the 48 EMA, it's going to be further away because it's not as close to the stock price. It's going to have more like wilder moves. So like whenever you get a move like this, the 13 moves closer because it follows quicker. Whereas if you turn on the 200 is like way behind. Like when we have like a huge kind of run up like this, 200 it follows a lot further. So yeah, that's kind of the difference between the EMAs. It's going to be how closely they are in reaction. Very welcome, bro, college investor. Those are inverted hammer candles indicating a reversal after a downtrend. Yes, D-skirt. That's why we look at, or why it's so common to look at the what are these, just candles. That's why it's so common. Like the story they tell, I personally feel is easier to read than a lot of people ask if I trade. What are these? Where are they at? The Heiken Ashi candles. So these are those candles. But here, I find them to be a little bit more confusing. I don't know. Like, wait, hold up. This is a 15-minute. Let me see how they differ real quick. All right, now it's just being slow. Oh, it's looking like we're selling off some more. But wait, hold up. I'm freaking out on my SPY contract. Lost about 700 yesterday. Still got to June 6th. So, is it like a SPY call? So I'm gonna say there can be a little bit of a struggle when it comes to like where to, I don't know, like put a stop, like to have your stop loss set in the chart whenever you're doing something long term or over a longer period of time. Um, I don't know. It's like sometimes I usually have to have something else I'm doing, so I'm not just focused on that. But yeah, that would kind of get me a little bit too, Aaron. Picked up a put on Google before I left. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Let's see. There's something new to learn in this market every. Hey, honestly, what do you think about UNH? So UNH, I personally want to see it pull back first. I feel like it still has a. I feel like it still has a better pullback coming. But I don't know. I could be a eternal bull or bear. I mean, right here, I mean, they do kind of have. Oh, you might kind of be able to draw a trend line here. I'm not really sure. Looks like they might cross below it. I don't know, honestly. I still think there's more downside. Does matter if I use 48, 50 EMA. Oh, 48 or 50. Honestly, to me, the 48 and 50, they're basically the same thing. The 48 is just going to have a slightly faster reaction time, but they're basically the same thing in my eyes. Am I still? No, I closed out of the Google put earlier in this stream just because it was getting bad. It's like I got stopped out essentially. Like we hit the levels where I said if we get here I'm going to stop out, so I had to follow my trading plan. Okay, Heiken Ashi is based on average price, so they tend to be more accurate with which color dominated the span. Wait, okay. Based on the average price, so interesting. More dollar dominant. Okay. Wait, the average price sold. Okay. Potential head and shoulders forming on Tesla 5 minute. Here, let's see what this head and or shoulders is looking like. Oh wait, wrong chart. All right, let's see it. Let's see. Yeah, we'll watch that. Hood tanking a little bit. Let's see. Yo, Robinhood still in this. What is this? Where'd that come from? Yeah, Robinhood's still in this range. Dang, don't tell me I'm cooked. Yeah, we'll kind of see. It's like yeah, we would have to see about those calls. I would I would at least like reevaluate the plan for the trade. Like where are you expecting to get in? Where are you expecting to get out? How long do you expect it to take? But like yeah, just looking like on something like the SPY, we did just cross over into like the bearish side of the trend line, and we are like coming out of a supply zone that, oh, this last time we were or whenever this time or supply zone was created, it's kind of set off a trend that pushed us down to around like 550. GIS and KHC at 52-week low. No, I don't invest in either of them. Yeah. Let's see. GIS. Ooh, they're rated a strong sell right now. Analysts are kind of neutral on the ratings. Let's look at them. I guess cereal just ain't it anymore. I don't know. No, I don't hold any of them though. Let's see. KHC. What is Kraft Heinz? So my initial thoughts on this company is that, or these companies are, that it may have something to do with, what is it, RFK and his role in things and trying to get like some of these, like make some of the foods healthier and whatnot. That might be, this is just me speculating and me just kind of thinking on like what could possibly kind of cause that. But it's like, yo, they might have to make some major changes and that could just cause some trouble for them. But I would think long term, it's like once they get things going, they'll probably come back. Wait, okay, hold up. It actually kind of gives some news over here. Kraft Heinz is exploring strategic transactions due to stock underperformance. Exit of 2 directors tied to. Oh, okay. Well, never mind. All right, let's see. SPY push. SPY 580 coming. Yeah, bring it on back. Yeah, they are large companies. They're what you would they're what you one would refer to as like boring companies, but it's like yeah, they are large companies that are honestly like probably backbones for some people's portfolio. I just don't own them. When you used to day trade, how many candles did you wait for confirmation? So like one complete candle on a 5, sometimes 2, sometimes three complete candles on a 1 minute. That's probably the worst. And then like 1 15-minute candle, like anywhere between those, depending on what they look like. Hopefully Nvidia is setting up to go back up. Hey, only time will tell. Yeah, the Qs is still trying to push up. Honestly, Tesla's trying to hold up too, a little bit. SPY on the come up. Right now, the SPY is like very much still chilling in the range. We'll have to see. There goes Google. Here, let me go up to a 4-hour on Google real quick. Yeah, Google looks like it's taking this liquidity over here. All right, so looks like I got a little bit to learn about Google, but yeah, Google getting this little pullback in. Alani, good morning. Well, turn my back on TSLO. Bro, that's how it works, man. They like to play with you on these stocks, man. Hold on, I need to do some research. All right, let's see. Yes, thank you, Lucky J. I knew where to set the stop loss and everything. Please tell me it's still dropping. All right, you talking about Google? Yeah, Google. Hey, Google's doing this thing. Yeah, Google might still make its way back to at least 171. I grabbed a put on Tesla. That's all. I was doing dishes. Okay, I see you putting in work. I see you keeping things clean. Okay. Hopefully you didn't break any, but yo, I see you. Every time you say Google, you activate. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Uh, we'll have to come up with another name for it. What do we want to call it? Well, it's called Alphabet, so we can just say Alphabet. I don't know why they changed their name to Alpha. That's probably why they changed their name to Alphabet. So yeah, SoFi has been like kind of pushing all day. So yeah, once again, if they get to that if they can get to that 1320 area, they might be a nice little shorty short. I feel that too, M Sense. I'm not gonna say it just because I'm not trying to set Ann's stuff off, but yeah, we'll stick with that Alphabet. Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of devices to set off. Or actually, yeah. Yeah, SoFi, yeah, it's coming for that 13 EMA on the 4 hour. I'm gonna need to get on that Patreon because option trading without well, yeah, I do call like the support and resistance levels every morning on the SPY. But I also like if you pay attention to the charts, I usually have them like on the charts too. So if you pay attention on the stream, you don't need it, but it is. I think it is nice for a lot of people. Say they really like the support and resistance levels that they get. Lugal from Hot Tub Time Machine. I remember that movie. I don't think I've seen like the whole thing though. I might need to watch it. But I remember that movie. There was a point in time I wanted to watch it and I just never did. I've seen like some of it, but I don't think I watched the whole thing. I need TSLL to get under 1460. Hey, well, it's a decaying asset, so that might be in your favor over time. How is KDLY looking to you else? It's looking overbought. Yeah, it looks like it could go for a pullback on the 4 hour. On the week, yeah, it's everything. Everywhere I look, it looks like it can go for a pullback. KDLY, and then asset entities. So this is looking overbought as well. Got some support from this $8 to like $9 range. So I would look for a pullback to those levels, then maybe try to continue riding the range. Hey, D-Scurv, Tesla looks like it might kind of play out. You said, oh, yesterday you were on point about SMCI. It bounced right back after it stopped. Hey, good stuff. Will CNA, top of the morning. Oh, you're very welcome, Creative Club. All right, y'all. I need a moment for a bathroom break. We'll return though. We'll be back. All right, y'all chat amongst yourselves. Let me see if I can let's see if we can find like some live news to play in the background. Let's see. Nah, we're just gonna let it. Yeah, we're just gonna. I'll be back. All right, we back. We back. Let's see. Oh shit, we got some. Hey, we got a couple more likes while I was gone. Okay, I see y'all. All right, let's see. Let's see. What we doing? Tesla's still hugging this level, man. We got 9 minutes till Euro close. First, everybody sell your Tesla. I'm gonna put. I'll pay you back on Tuesday. Trading near support and resistance and just eliminating the middle is weight. Hey, very true. Just joking, will not pay you back after everyone already sold. It's a little late, in sense. All right, bigger gains. We're about to escape from Alcatraz. 6 more. Hey, I'm saying. Do you block or that I'm coin? Hey, I'm not blocking anything. Know that. Know that. If anything is blocked, it's YouTube. But just know everything I just read is there. What's the most straightforward way to ensure we have the right way of finding support and resistance? Look for the swing points. Look for the levels that it is having trouble getting above. Hold up, Tesla pushing. Let's see. I still want a complete candle, but yeah, Tesla trying to push right now. Yeah, that's exactly, yes. Video Rillo. Couldn't have said it better myself. Yeah, wherever you see the price like flipping, wherever you see that wall forming, Palantir. Yeah, it's running for the top end of its channel. Hold on, wait, that's a 4 hour. Let's go to a 15 real quick. Okay, I was about to say. Yeah, I'm like, what's with this sudden push? All right, SoFi is going for it too, a little bit. Wait, oops. I meant, did you mean block? Oh, okay. Okay. All right, cool. All right, so Tesla is pushing up here. It's even closing yesterday's fair value gap. But let me make sure there's not any news or anything. Let's do a little check. So we got FA approved SpaceX Starship vehicle returned flight. I don't think I see anything for Tesla. Huge performance on Palantir. Can we have to take profit on it now? What do you mean? Can you rephrase that? Or say what you're trying to say differently? I'm getting close to waiting for a candle closure. My dang self been faked out to me. Yeah, that's kind of what the market likes to do. And it's like honestly, I would say pick a time frame and like stick to it. Here, let's Cracking the offer, tokenized stocks. Here, let's see let me check for Nvidia as well as Apple to see if they're seeing anything. No, not right there. Okay, nothing really. Yeah, I would say Apple's seeing a little bit. Let's see. Let me search one more thing. Okay, U.S. judge blocks Trump administration plan to gut education department. Yeah, we'll see what's going on here. We got 3 minutes till Euro close. Hey, family. Hey, we are 4 likes away from the goal. The stream rate, the bit rate, yo, is lower than recommended, so we might get off. If can we get 100 likes before? I don't know. It's like either before I end the stream or the stream gets ended itself. If not, we will wake up in El Salvador tomorrow, and it will be subscribers only tomorrow, just for the record. If that happens, but otherwise it's open to everyone. But let's see. Tesla was the move today. If only there was a way to know it was the move before the move happens. It's like whenever you get something like right at open. Actually, let me take a look at Tesla real quick. There may have been a way. Not on the 1 hour there wasn't. Or not on the 4 hour. Not on the 1 hour. Not on the 30-minute. I mean, let's turn on the EMAs. Yeah, there was nothing that told me this was a move on Tesla. So yeah, there was nothing told me that. Oh yeah, we got 15 seconds left on this candle. We still don't have a complete candle above the level. So I'm still sticking around. Where Marley, good morning. Amazon is near a reversal zone. Here, let's see. Yoko said 1 minute 20 EMA. Okay, hey, we did it, family. Hey, we are free tomorrow. We are free. Hey, good stuff. Hey, that's good in all the 1 minute 20 EMA. That's just not anything I'm like the way I trade. That's not anything I'll ever see. Only news on Tesla I know about is a robo-taxi release. Yeah. It's just volume coming in Tesla. Honestly, I'm inclined to say the trend should continue on Tesla. Honestly, this is probably just a better entry. I got what I got till yesterday. Honestly, Looking at it too, we got like a little, might have a little downtrend going on here too. So this is probably, that's probably some money there. We'll see if that continues on, but it's kind of early. We'll see if that continues on. Volume on Tesla does not, or does look good. Has on, let's see. Yeah, it's doing all right on the 4 hour. Let's drop down to the 1 hour. Yeah, that it does. That it does. Slowing down, but that it does. All right, y'all. So my wife made food, so I'm actually about to say peace out. So we got Euro closed. I think the only trade I made today was Tesla. I grabbed a short. Y'all see the ranges there. Yeah, don't really have anything else to say. We made it in time to the point that you said YouTube is paying you for these ads and commercials that randomly pop up. Depends on the stream. Sometimes I get paid for them, sometimes I don't. Yeah, it completely depends on what we do on stream. A lot of my streams end up getting like demonetized. So sometimes I get paid for them, sometimes I don't. The ads that pop up in my YouTube videos, I get paid for all those. But when it comes to my streams, I might not. But I do get paid like way less for a YouTube stream than I do for a YouTube video. So honestly, the streams that the commercials on streams aren't really worth anything. But yeah, peace out, family. I hope y'all have a blessed day. I don't know how, if you're in the Discord, feel free to like let me know what your ad experience is on these streams though, because I think that's like the second time someone said something about the stream today with ads. So y'all let me know. But peace out, family. Y'all have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, D-Scurv. Peace out, AKMA, Palantir. Peace out, Video Rillo. Peace out, Creative Club. Wait. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, 619 Monty. Peace out, Big Red. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Ken. Peace out, Frank. Peace out, the new 100. You said sounds like I have a Portuguese. Interesting. I did spend like 8 months out there, but peace out, Alani. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go before this food gets cold. All right, peace out. Catch y'all, family.